Hi, I'm Atik and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show something new. Yes, something new. You will see how to set up a charging system in an electric beater, or you can say it a mixer. Here I'm using old battery of mobile phone and a charging module TP4056. The link for TP4056 in the description. You can buy it online from Amazon Draz and AliExpress. TP4056 is a smart module that have two indication lights that shows the battery status when it is charging. The circuit diagram that help you a lot for connection is given in the description. Let's start soldering. Connect red wire of a battery to the battery postie of module, while white wire of battery to the battery negative of module. Then connect the green wire to O positive of module through a switch. Connect a piece of wire to motor terminal through switch, and other terminal of a motor will directly connect it to the module negative out point. Our circuit is ready. Let's start testing. Wow, it is exactly working very well. Now close a beater very carefully. If you have any queries, feel free to write a comment. I shall resolve you very soon. Thank you for watching a video. Have a nice day.